uncovering potential, transforming lives. 2 decades ago, Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited (MMFSL) commenced its journey in the rural non-banking finance industry. And with that was born a vision to transform rural and semi-urban India into a self-reliant, flourishing landscape. Since then, we have come a long way, empowering millions of ambitious individuals with personalized finance for a wide range of vehicles, home development requirements and many other diverse endeavors, all to help them live their dreams and rise in life. At Mahindra Finance, we are guided by a firm belief in people, their dreams and their potential to achieve those dreams. Hence, our socially inclusive business model facilitates loan to customers based not on their current financial status but their future earning capacity. This philosophy has instilled a sense of confidence in the minds of rural and semi-urban India. We are proud to have touched over 4 million lives. During the course of our journey, apart from emerging as the top tractor financer in India, we have constantly strived towards developing skill sets of the local population, which is why we provide employment to over 20,000 people in 1,200 plus branches across India. This not only ensures equal growth opportunity for all, but also enables us to serve our customers better through local understanding and expertise. So be it a humble farmer or a budding entrepreneur, we are committed to empower every individual with resources to help their dreams see the light of day. Mahindra Finance started with a strong set of values and a group of highly motivated individuals. Come, walk with us through the journey of time and take a glimpse of how Mahindra Finance grew with all those who believed in it. In the year 1991, the company was established. In 1992, the name changed to Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited. In the year 2001, assets crossed INR 10 billion. In the year 2004, listing of non-convertible debentures on BSE. In 2005, Mahindra Insurance Brokers Limited established. In the year 2008, Mahindra Rural Housing Finance established. In 2011, joint venture with Rabobank subsidiary for tractor financing in USA. Since inception, Mahindra Finance has won top industry awards in various categories. Some of the prestigious awards won are: Mahindra Finance was honored as Best Overall Excellence in CSR in the organizational category. Mahindra Finance listed in Dow Jones Sustainability Index for 4th year in a row. We are the only Indian company from diversified financial services sector to get selected. Mahindra Finance wins the Conscious Capitalist of the Year award for the stellar role in promoting sustainable and transformational business practices, resulting in deep-rooted benefits to the community. Mahindra Finance has been awarded with Scotch Order of Merit for its diversity and inclusion initiatives. Mahindra Finance has been recognized with significant achievement in HR excellence at the 7th CII HR Excellence Award. Mr. Ramesh Iyer receives the prestigious Asia Pacific Entrepreneurship Award 2017 India. Mahindra Finance wins the Aeon Best Employer Award. Mahindra Finance is among top 50 India's best companies to work for in 2017. Golden Peacock National Training Award in HR Excellence. India Book of Record for the largest sales training program. PCMM Level 5 certification.